All right, got a 2005 Toyota Avalon. It's been hitting the rear quarter panel. Door's been tweaked. All this has been pushed in, pulled out just a little bit. Cut part of the bumper off there, so that's exposed. Look further in. Oh, I don't know. We have to look at it from the trunk here, but as you see here, we can see right into the trunk. So that needs to be reconnected. Other than that, just needs a little massaging. It ain't too far out. And then inside the trunk, just one separated. Trunk pan folded up a little bit. Other than that, see what you think.